people who take commerce for avoiding maths, accountancy be like. मेरा नाम तो सुना ही होगा. So hey guys, here are some 10 interesting facts about accountancy. So let's have a look on them. First fact. Italian mathematician Luca Pacioli is regarded as the father of accountancy. On November 10 of every year will be celebrated as World Accounting Day in remembrance of publication of book Summa written by Pacioli, where he introduced the new word bookkeeping. By the way, surprisingly, Luca Pacioli was the guru of Leonardo da Vinci. Strange. So on this note, let's move on to the second point. That is, bookkeeping is the only word in English language with 3 consecutive sets of double letters. To find some more strange, let's move on to the second point. Bookkeeping is the only word in English language with 3 consecutive sets of double letters. You see, B, double O, double K, double E, P-I-N-G. Strange, right? So on this note, let's move on to the third point. Visma Specs survey findings proclaims that 80% of entrepreneurs want to talk more about the present and the future with their accountants. अभी entrepreneurs का बात आ ही गया है, तो एक accountant है जो दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा शू ब्रांड, फुटवेयर ब्रांड ओन करता है with 77% of market share. जानना चाहते हो कौन है? It's Nike. Well-known multinational corporation with the present stock price of US dollars 128.59 cents currently was co-founded by Phil Knight. Interestingly, Knight was an accounting professor at Portland State University. Whenever you wear Nike shoes, there is some soft touch in that. So on the note of soft touch, हमें क्या याद आता है? It's none other than bubble gum, right? अब जब भी bubble gum खाते हो, you feel so soft. It is a mouth freshener. And interestingly, a soft substance which people like to chew without being swallowed was innovated by an American accountant, Walter E. Diemer. On this note, now we can say that accountants play significant role in Oscars. Yes, a team of accountants has spent 1,700 hours prior to Oscar night counting the Academy Award votes by hand. Accountants are everywhere. But you see, it is not as easy as stabbing the cream on the cake. Accounting Hall of Fame, now hosted by the American Accounting Association, honors those who have made significant contribution to the profession. Let's have a look on tough side of accountancy. Chartered accountancy is considered as one of tough courses to crack in India, with passing percentage less than 5%. It's not a cake, you can't stab cream out of the cake so easily. Only 5% of people could pass this. And that's why it is always said that accountants are always multi-talented personalities. Famous journalist S. Gurumurthy, business tycoon Virla, novelist Yandamuri Virendranath, saxophonist K. Jenny, karate and kickboxing player Chuck Liddell, current cabinet ministers of India Mr. Piyush Goyal and Suresh Prabhu were accountants basically. Maybe this dialogue is the favorite dialogue of accountants. Profit दिखता है तो कोई भी झुकता है. So on that note, let's move on to the famous quote of Luca Pacioli, written in his book Summa, is a warning to all the accountants. that no one should go to sleep at night until the debits are equal to credits. So, on this note, I want to wish all of you a happy accountancy day. Thank you.